Hello good my friend, I hope you are well today. Welcome back to the channel. I am Gerard, the French chef, retired and passing my knowledge to young generation. Today another famous, tasty French recipe, les moules marinières. Okay, it's mussel, fresh mussels, steamed with white wine and aromatic. Very easy to do, very few ingredients, and it becomes absolutely delicious. The mise en place is really simple, not too many ingredients. As you can see, mussels, the main thing, fresh mussel from the bay in Melbourne. Then we got here parsley, garlic, thyme, butter, and shallots. That's all, and a little bit of white pepper, and of course a little bit of good white wine from Brand Maypie. It's the Sauvignon Blanc, which is likely like in France. Okay, and we can put some fresh baguette as well. So you can make this dish in 10 minutes and it'll be still absolutely beautiful. Now, before cooking those mussels, we will immerse in a mussel farm of the legendary Moule Bouchot of Mont Saint-Michel in France. The first operation is to stretch some ropes that will attract the tiny larvae floating around the bay in February and March. After a year, the ropes are very heavy with young mussels and will be removed and dispatched to proper mussel farms. Now, they will insert those heavy poles deep in the soil to support the rope full of baby mussels. Now they have to quickly attach around those poles those long ropes full of baby mussels before the high tide. After 1 year, the mussels have reached maturity and will be collected. Now, with machinery, they will harvest all the mussel in one go. After the recolt, the mussels will be cleared of all the beards and they will be washed thoroughly, then calibrated before sending away in large bags to mussel suppliers. And before exporting, the mussels are regularly checked and tested by the Health Food Authority. I am back with you. Now let's start to cook these beautiful fresh mussels. Okay? We have to wash them first. Now remember, if you like this video, try to give us a thumbs up, and also thank you to subscribe to support my humble channel. And click the little bell on the side, then each time I got a new video, you'll have a little warning. Okay, alors firstly you have to wash them well, huh? In a running water, so you don't want to be sick, huh? Or poison your guest, huh? So, in a large container filled with running cold water, you add your mussels and clean them one by one. You have to pull off the beards that you can see. Now let's have a look at how the mussels grow their own beard. You will notice the flexible foot on the side of the shell popping out. Then they drop this milky substance that will adhere to the rope. The mussels will adhere to the rope by secreting a dozen of filament. Use a scraper if you want to remove the barnacles and scrub them well with a brush or a knife. A good way also to check if they are still fresh and alive is to tap them on the side of the container, and you can throw away the one that don't close. They may be dead and you don't want to be sick. Now, if you find some broken shell, discard them, they may be contaminated. Okay, now give them a good rinse until the water is very clear. You can cover them and store them in your fridge. Now prepare your aromatics, starting with shallots. Remove the dry skin and cut them very finely. Here is a culinary school way to dice a shallot. If it's too difficult for you, just use a blender. Now your garlic. Squash them with the blade of a knife. Remove the dry skin and also remove the greeny bitter part. Slice them finely too. Now peel off the leaves of the thyme and chop those leaves very finely too. Now we need to chop some parsley. Just be sure you make plenty, because we need some for the finishing at the end, for the decoration. And also you don't need to chop very thin. Make them a little bit thicker and it will be more beautiful for the decoration. Now our aromatic vegetables are ready. We can finally start cooking. In a large pot over medium heat, you can add some butter. When it's melted, you can add the shallots. Then you can add the thyme. Now you can add your garlic, your parsley. Also, don't forget to keep some parsley at the end for the presentation. After that, you can add your dry white wine and reduce just a little bit. When the alcohol is evaporated, you can add all the mussels. Stir well and steam them with the lid on for 5 to 7 minutes or until they all open. Stir again from time to time. Watch, it's all coming to a close here, my friend. And you season well with cracked black pepper. Hello my gourmet friend, that starts to smell delicious. The combination of fresh Italian parsley, garlic, shallot and cooked wine is an amazing combination, which gives a special freshness and a special flavor to the mussels. Now we can serve the mussels. Be sure they are all open, and discard all the mussels unopened. And for the neat presentation, add fresh parsley on top. And also, a good quality mussels has a nice orangey color. Now your mussels are ready. Wow! I have to try them. They smell so yummy. Adding 2 toasted French baguettes is a must. And with a bowl of French fries, it's a summum. Now I am going to try those beautiful things. I show you a good way to eat the mussels is to use an empty shell as a tongue. Look, 1, 2, 3, and you can put like that in a plate, and we got a lot. It's very handy. It takes less room. So the special combination with the white wine, mussels, everything, give the special flavor that gives the taste fantastic to the flavor. Okay, I'll try one again in front of you. that you can go, it's a recipe I'll give you, it's the right proportion. If you like this video, thank you to put your thumbs up and also to subscribe to my humble channel and share with your friend, okay? I'll see you in the next adventure very soon. Thank you for watching.